Okay, so this is the first time I'm talking about my surgery since I had it. Well, let me tell you how it went. First of all, the hospital was really nice. I will say that. But anyway, I had surgery. I woke up in the most terrible pain I could ever imagine. It was like I had been scalped on both sides of my faces. And so they gave me something to knock me back out. And when I woke up again, I was also in the most terrible pain I could imagine, so they gave me something else. So I had to keep taking things to knock me out, and my blood pressure got really high. So instead of the planned one night, I had to stay 2 nights. Also, my head was wrapped with a bandage, as you can see in one of the earlier pictures I posted, and I couldn't hear, but furthermore, I could hear a little bit, but I couldn't hear that much. Furthermore, my ear, this ear, was clogged with dried blood. Yes, I know that's gross, but it's true. But it finally, I guess the body has a way of working that out and making the dried blood come out, because it did. I kept finding pieces when I got home. So, also, they nicked my uvula when they intubated me, which had to go through the nose, of course, because I could only open my mouth 15 millimeters. And it was nicked, and they had to cauterize it, and so my throat was extremely sore. All I could eat was pudding and drink when I can usually eat normal people food, but just swallowing it. But that hurt my uvula, which is the thing that hangs down in the back of your throat. As you can see, I'm in my recliner. When I got home, I had this ready. When I got home, I had to sleep at 45 degrees. I was supposed to stay between 45 and 60 degrees. And when I got home, I was on so much medication that I almost passed out, and I couldn't turn my head upside down, so I had to try to lay in the recliner and come to. I was on a lot of heavy pain medication. Fentanyl patches, that's what they're called. And also, I probably still had some of the anesthesia in me. Right now, I do still have sweat. It's been almost 4.5 months, halfway to 9 months, when I can take the sweat out. As you can see, it is you can kind of see it poking through the bottom lip a little bit. But I don't know if you can notice, it does affect my talking a little bit and my eating, obviously, but I can't chew anyway, so it's not that bad. And you're supposed to be able to fit 3 fingers in your mouth like that. A normal person. Obviously, I can't yet, and that's perfectly normal. My mobility and my neck motion has gotten much better. I used to be able to look up this much. Now I can look up. Well, wait. Now I can look up farther than I should, probably. But, and I can turn my head. My mobility's gotten a lot better. I can fit in almost 3 fingers like that. Almost, but I can fit in 2 with room to spare, so kind of like that. But, also, I must say that my ringing in the ears is significantly less, thank goodness. That was one of the main reasons I wanted to have the surgery. Also, I must say, though, I am disappointed that I am still in a great deal of pain when I wake up. Probably a 9 or a 10 when I wake up. I don't know why. I'm not grinding. I'm not clenching. I don't know what it is. I have an appointment next week. We'll see how that goes. As far as pain relief, because by this point, in 4 to 6 weeks, I was supposed to be pain-free with taking no pain meds, and I'm still on a lot of pain medication, and I'm still in a great deal of pain. But as far as mobility and things of that nature, they're normal. I've gotten back to some activities, such as I go to college football games, which is fun, and this summer I went swimming in the ocean, which really is quite therapeutic. And I did that only 2 months after surgery, so I was able to duck dive under waves and, do everything I normally do in the ocean. And, the only thing was I couldn't lay all the way back, to not that I early tan anyway, but I couldn't lay on a beach towel, problem solved, I bought a beach chair. So now I feel like my pain has sort of plateaued, and I'm really, really disappointed and frustrated with that. I just can't say how frustrating that's been, especially speaking with so many people that have had the exact same surgery or worse, and they were immediately out of pain or out of pains within 2 months. You can see my teeth are straight as they were before I got braces as a child, and as they were before surgery. My teeth have shifted a little bit, but they're still straight. You see. You can see the little loops to the splint. And then I've showed it to you before on my previous video. But, now I can do more opening and show it to you without even taking it out. And also I have physical therapy exercises. And, their exercises just, my posture is perfect now. I've worked on that. And so, I just gotta get rid of this pain, and I feel like in 9 months I'll be better. I'm ready to get out of pain. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I will post another video after I have my appointment next week and see what my surgeon says. So, thank you, and have a good day.